Okay, so let's talk about keeping score and having a timer. Again, these are things you've done for Mario, so it's something you should be able to do. I'm going to give you a couple of little reminders here. Let's start by putting a horizontal arrangement on the bottom, and then we'll throw two labels in there. So there's label one, label two. And if I get down there, we'll make sure they go into the horizontal, and just like that. Go ahead and do your, when you come over here, let's change the name of the labels, one for score, one for timer. And then the horizontal, yeah, for the horizontal arrangement, go ahead and make that, at least make the width a fill parent. Play around with the height to decide how you want to do that. And if you want to do any vertical or alignments, you might even want to go back to the beginning screen one here. I like to, a lot of times, make the screen alignment center. And then everything that gets thrown on the screen gets centered. Notice how the horizontal arrangement now is in the center, not over to the left. But play around with that. And then we'll come over, then I'll have you go to the blocks and we'll come up with a couple of new variables, right? We want to, whoops, wrong one. Initialize, and we'll do one as timer, and you can initialize that to whatever you want. My favorite number is 0. The next one you'll do would be called score, and why don't I go ahead and at least get that there, score. And what you're going to do is when the Android is touched, we're going to do that bit where we change the score to be equal to the score plus 1, right? We're going to work with the clock, the timer on the clock, and whenever it's ticked, we're going to then have the timer, let's see, I don't know how to do this. Set the timer to timer -1, and I'm thinking of 10 things at once, so I'm a little lost here. Another thing we want to make sure we do is when we do this, we're going to set the label text to this idea that we've had before, where we're going to join the word score or join the word timer with the variable. Once we change the variable, and all right, I'm trying to do this without doing it for you. So we're going to set the score equal to the score plus 1, and after that, we're going to set the label. This would definitely be my label score to score : space get global score. We're going to do the same thing with timer, except we're going to go to -1. We might want to, when we initialize, set the timer to a number other than 0. And so you have something to work with. All right. So I think that's enough hints. Why don't you see how far you can get on this, and definitely ask for help when you're stuck. All right. Good luck.